MK Mobile Gaming in the Philippines, coming at you live from the Philippines, Angeles City, Clark City, Balibago, Pampanga, and all the surrounding area. I'm repping the whole neighborhood. Bam! We got the Pelicans on deck. Hold them. Hold them. No! Ooh! She said, I see your three and I raise you three. Alright, Pelicans. Alright. Oh no! I don't know about these Pelicans. I don't know about these Pelicans. Oh, he's trying to take it to the hole. Does he get it? Do they get it? They get it. On the second attempt. That's good. That's a good effort. Good effort from the Bucks there. Even though they did make the shot. Oh, we got the Smoothie King sponsor down here, guys. Make sure you go get a Smoothie King after you work out. Come on. To the Pelican team. Who's that? Halliburton hasn't let us down. But where does Halliburton likes it straight down the middle, I think. I don't know. Let me see. Yep. There we go. There we go. We're down by one. Bucks down by one. Get that rebound. Get it. Oh. Could not get that rebound. That would have saved us. What do we got here? We got Halliburton back. One more for Halliburton. Bam! Halliburton loves it down the middle. It's just too sweet. It's just too sweet. Hold him. Get that ball back. We got it. No, not Davis. Davis, you're about to get fired for real. No chances here. Easy one. Let's hold them. Oh, they're going for the three. We got the rebound now. Davis might get fired. I don't know. Who's this? Who's this? Van Velt? Van Velt? Oh, the three. Oh, they got it. Did we win? I think we won. Bucks beat the Pelicans. Epic game, guys. I don't know. Pass it out. Get him right there. Ooh. That's alright. We got it back. Pass it out. Hit him again. Oh, he missed it again. Pass it out again. Hit him again. Oh, again. Pass it out again. Hit him again. We got it. Woo-wee. Excellent effort on the Bucks right there to get those rebounds 4 times in a row. Because apparently, oh, here we go. We got another rebound. Who's this? Looney? I don't know about Looney. Let's give Looney a shot. Oh, Looney. Pass it over here. Shot. Oh, that could have. Oh no! Where were you? See, Davis, you're fired. Davis, you are fired. If you keep playing like that, Davis, I already gave you a lot of chances, Davis. I'm really disappointed. Like, I should have fired you a long time ago, Davis. You should have been traded a long time ago. But I'm still letting you. Being a nice team manager here. Who's this? Halliburton? You know Halliburton likes it down the middle. That might be too far for Halliburton. Oh! bugs. I don't know how it on us. Okay, I didn't see nothing. I didn't see nothing. Making sure that he's coming down. He's got an easy one. We got 23 seconds to leave the game. This is run the clock down. Alright. That's 1-1, guys. We might have to go best of 3 here. I don't know. We might have to do all 7 games to really find out who the true champion is here. I mean, we know who the true champion is. Oh my goodness. See, they're all over. What in the... No. Pass it somewhere. Anywhere. Pass it to that guy right there. I don't even know who that is. Oh! Davis trying not to get fired. Oh, they... Come on, I'm not even mad about that. How come they got 21 and I got 15? This don't make no damn sense. No, Halliburton is done. Halliburton's done. He might get on the bench. Let's see what we got here. Pass it back. Hit it. Oh, pass it back out. Hit it again. Oh, hit it again. Come on, guys. What are you guys doing? Hit something. Alright. Anything, literally. Making me look bad here. Get that rebound. Looney. Okay, Looney. You're up, Looney. Where's Looney want it? Want it over here? Okay, over here. Nope. Oh, who's that? Van Velt? Van Velt, you are now... They sink a 3. We gotta sink a 3. Where does he want it? He likes it over here a little bit. Ooh, going in. Wiggins misses the 3, but that looks pretty good. Not mad at Wiggins yet. Not mad at Wiggins yet. Oh, we steal the ball. Wiggins has it again. Let's give him a second chance. Oh, no, Wiggins. Out of bounds on the Pelicans. Alright. Pass it in. Who's this? That's in there. We're down by 1. Hold him. He's going to take it to the hole. Halliburton. Let this be the one time you don't screw up, Halliburton. No! Man, hold up. That could have won the game. You know, I really didn't feel like Halliburton was, nah, he's not on fire no more. He was on fire, but he's not. He was doing great. I mean, I might have to, I don't know, him and Davis. He's been hanging out with Davis too much. That's the problem. Halliburton been hanging out with Davis too much, and now they both getting lazy. Because Davis is like, oh man, you know, man, you don't have to listen to coach, man. You just do whatever you want, man. You know, man, I man, you know, I just, man. Halliburton and Davis, they're on the same team, but they ain't on the Bucks. I don't know what team they're on, but they are not. Come on, brother. Oh, they dunked it on us. All right, here we go. Halliburton, you're fired. Pass it back to Velvet. Give Velvet another shot. Dang, I don't know what's going on today. These guys are missing everything. God damn, what did Halliburton and Davis do? They brought the whole team down. See, that's the problem right there. Come on, Wiggins. You're my only hope. Wiggins, you are the man. Because the rest of this team is playing like a bunch of little girls. Hold them. Get the don't get the rebound. There's Wiggins. Wiggins is the only one who gets the ball now, okay? Because you guys are sucking balls. See? Look at them. They just keep passing it to each other. They're just best friends. Huh? Look at that. My goodness. No, pass it to Wiggins. There, finally. Wiggins misses it. Pass it back out to Wiggins. Wiggins hits it. Okay, there we go. None of y'all are getting the ball no more. Until y'all learn how to play basketball. There we go. Halliburton. Pass it to Looney. Okay, Looney, let's see what you got. Looney misses it, but we'll pass it back out. Looney, let's give him another shot. Looney misses again. God dang. What is going on? Wow. Wow. That's a wrap, guys. Bucks have officially taken an L. It's a sad day. Very sad day in Bucks fandom world. I'm gonna go and be sad now. I'll see you guys in the next one. MK Mobile Gaming in the Philippines, signing out.